Alexa, and sorry for the terrible lighting. It's currently like 6, like almost 7 o'clock, so it's dark out, and I just wanted to shout out or really say something because I just uploaded this, like an intro idea basically, in less than a minute after this is uploaded. Look, just look what I found. There are all these people commenting. There's 3 people that commented, wow, this is like like someone got a channel and this was a great intro. And they're basically saying that I'm a pro editor, but not really. But I just wanted to say something because I was like, wow, I really didn't think this was that good of a video. I really thought it was just any other like intro, and I didn't think. Well, I'm very honored, and they're all offering like I have literally 4 people offering for shoutouts today, and I've taken all of them. Cause you do anything for the subs, man. Cause I'm currently at freaking 12 subs, and my secondary channel's at 22 subs. So I'm feeling the pain. So anyways, I just wanted to say thank you to all those people, and hopefully I do get like 200, over 100 subs, because that'd be really cool. So I just wanted to say that, cause yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that, cause it was really crazy to me. Like, I couldn't believe that just happened. I was like, what? I just feel that it really complimented me, because it just made me happy. So anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. I really gotta think of an outro. So anyways, bye. Hey, no.